If you spoke about your potential case with 5, 6, 7, or I don't know, 10 attorneys and none of them want to take it, this is usually because of one of the two reasons. Either your case is not worth pursuing in their opinion, legally or financially and practically, or both, or there was something in the communication between the two of you that really turned all of those lawyers off and discouraged them from wanting to represent you. It's not a secret that many potential clients and many people in general are either very impatient or very demanding, or they have unreasonable expectations, or they are extremely entitled, which translates into sounding like you're going to be very hard to work with. And even if you have a good case, most attorneys don't think it will be worth dealing with someone like you because of your personality and because of how you communicate with them. Now, how do you know that it might be a communication issue? Well, if the attorneys you're talking to are telling you that they don't want to take your case before they even learn about your case, there is a chance that there was something about your communication early on, even if you don't think there was, even if you didn't notice anything unusual about what was going on between the two of you. There might have been something that turned them off and something that told them that they don't want to work with you. Now, I cannot possibly know what it is, but this is definitely something that's worth thinking about and worth stopping for a moment and telling yourself, is there something in my emails? Is there something in my phone calls between me and all those attorneys that could have been perceived as rude or could have been perceived as unreasonable? If the second part is an issue, if you talk about your case with different attorneys and all of them tell you that they don't want to take it, or they tell you that you don't have a case, you might be really frustrated because you believe that you have a case and you want to find an attorney, and you talk to one lawyer after another and all of them tell you that you don't have a case. If that's the issue, if that's the situation, chances are that you truly do not have a case worth pursuing for those lawyers and for yourself. The problem is that you don't understand probably why you don't have a case, because none of these lawyers explain to you in simple terms why your case is not worth pursuing. So what you need to do is to talk to one of those lawyers who you already maybe spoke with, who you've been impressed with, or maybe to yet another lawyer who is reputable, who is experienced, who is knowledgeable in that area of law, and ask them to explain to you not only whether you have a case, but why exactly you don't have a case. Take the time to understand the law and how the law applies to your facts. Once you understand not only what you're doing, and not only the fact that maybe you don't have a case, but once you understand why, it's going to be you're going to feel much better about the situation. It's not going to change the fact that you don't have a case, but knowing why you're not pursuing litigation, knowing why you're doing the right thing by maybe not investing tons of time, money, and energy into a case that's not going to result in any type of positive outcome for you, it's going to make all the difference. You're going to be complete and you're going to feel good and you're going to be satisfied at least with your decision. And you're not just going to be in this darkness. Oh, I've been told by a bunch of people that I don't have a case. I feel I do, and they are all incompetent. They don't know what they're talking about, and I'm going to continue looking for a lawyer until I find someone who's going to take my case. Even better, if several lawyers give you the same exact explanation as to why they believe your case is not worth pursuing, or maybe why your case is worth pursuing, and all of these explanations are the same, now you really have a good information in your hands that should definitely help you make the right decision and be satisfied with that decision, no matter whether your case is or is not worth pursuing. Thank you.